Alright, guys, today my name is Adiza Al Hassan and I want to show you how to download books online for free. Isn't this amazing? For free, and there are sites that you'll be able to download this for free. It's either going to be self-improvement books, professional ones, academic, where maybe you are having a lot of challenges that you are encountering, that you want other books that have knowledge about it, and also stories to improve upon your language, your English, and yes. So please, let's get into it. So five sites that you'll be able to download these free books that I'm talking about. First, we talk about bookboon.com. And bookboon.com per se usually is for professional, as I said, academical and professionally. You see fundamentals of chemistry, advanced communication skills, any of which is The second one is manybooks.com. Manybooks.com, and this is also mainly for stories, adventure, biography, history, fantasy, any of which is for you. Some are at a cost, some are not. And the third one I want to show to you is manybooks.com. Yeah, that's it. freeebooks.com. freeebooks.com. This is also another exciting site for you to download books, either books for you at no cost. There's for thousands of free books, stories, as you can see the category: non-fiction, academic textbooks, audio, non-fiction, audiobooks, any of which for your kids and brothers. The fourth one is that we're going to talk about is PDF Drive, and I so recommend you to PDF Drive. That's where I get my books for self-improvement. I get, you can get Carl Carnegie. Yes, is that the name? Yes, all his books here at no cost. So that's it for today, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do both subscribe, share, comment, like. If you want to see more of me, please do so, and thank you very much. Bye bye.